A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video, and I'm very much glad to meet you all again in this video. And we are on another Sunday, and in this video we are going to see the agricultural current affairs between 28th of November to 4th of December 2021. And come on, let's get into the video. Kindly make note of everything. It will be helpful for your revision. Coming to the first, AgriWise FinServe Limited, an agri-focused non-banking financial corporation, has entered into a co-lending agreement with Central Bank of India for agri-loan disbursal to underserved and unserved rural customers of India. The agreement ensures the loan at affordable interest rate as per RBI directive for the farmer, agri and allied community in a simple, transparent and speedy manner. Coming to the next, V. Praveen Rao, who is the Vice Chancellor of Professor Jayashankar Telangana State Agricultural University, wins the 7th Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Award for the period of 2017 to 19. It is a biennial national award that is given every 2 years once, and it was presented by retired ICAR Indian Council of Agriculture Research Employees Association and Nuzivedu Seeds Limited. It carries a cash prize of Indian national rupee 2 lakh and a citation. About this prestigious award was instituted in 2004 in the honor of Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, who is the main architect of India's Green Revolution. And this is a Lifetime Achievement Award for outstanding contributions to agricultural research and development and for overall food security and sustainability of agriculture. The award is open to all, irrespective of age or nationality. Coming to the next, the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited has been ranked number one cooperative among the top 300 cooperatives in the world in the year 2021 edition of the 10th Annual World Cooperative Monitor Report, withholding its position from 2020 edition. And WCM is a project designed to collect robust economic, organizational, and social data about cooperatives worldwide. The 2021 WCM report is published by the International Cooperative Alliance and European Research Institute on Cooperative and Social Enterprises. Continued, IFCO has ranked number one under the Agriculture and Food Industries section of WCM ranking, which includes all cooperatives that operate along the entire agricultural value chain, starting from the cultivation of agriculture produces and livestock farming to the industrial processing of agricultural products and animals. The section was further classified into two categories of top 300 based on turnover in US dollar and top 300 turnover over GDP per capita. IFCO became top under this category, that is turnover under GDP per capita. Coming to the next, the State Bank of India signs a master agreement with Adani Capital Private Limited, the NBFC, Adani Group to provide support for co-lending to farmers for purchase of tractor and farm implements. And the main objective is to contribute to the mechanization of agriculture and play a role in improving productivity and help the government in doubling farmers' income by 2022. Coming to the next, the central government is implementing a scheme that is establishment and strengthening of veterinary hospitals and dispensaries, that is mobile veterinary unit, with an aim to provide veterinary services at farmers' doorstep by mobile veterinary units. The scheme provides 100% financial assistance towards non-recurring expenditure on procurement of mobile veterinary units, and central share towards recurring expenditure is in the ratio of 90:10 for northeastern states and Himalayan states and 100% for union territories and 60:40 for all the other states on running of these mobile veterinary units for delivery of veterinary services at farmers' doorstep. Coming to the next, government has recently announced minimum support prices for 6 mandated rabi crops viz wheat, barley, gram, lentil, rapeseed and mustard and also safflower for rabi marketing season 2022-23 on the basis of the recommendations of Commission of Agricultural Costs and Prices and after considering the views of state governments and central government departments concerned and other relevant factors. The MSP of wheat is 2015 and barley it is 1635 and gram it is 5230, masoor that is lentil it is 5500, rapeseed and mustard it is 5050, safflower it is 5441, 5500 that is the MSP of masoor is highest among the rabi crops MSP. Coming to the next, as per the provisional estimates of annual national income released by National Statistical Office, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, the share of agriculture and allied sector in total gross value added of the country has increased from 18.4% in 2019-22 to 20.2% in 2020-21 at current prices. It is set to increase from 33.94 lakh crore to 36.16 lakh crore at current price. Coming to the final thing, as reported by Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations, India is the second largest producer of fruits as well as vegetables in the world in the year 2019, and the quantum of production of fruit and vegetables in the country during 2018-19, 19-20 and 2021, that is third advance estimates of 2020-21, and the average quantum of production of these 3 years is as below. Yes, the third advance estimates of 2020-21 production of fruit is 103.03 million tonnes and vegetables it is 197.23 million tonnes, which is compared to be higher than the previous years. Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu are the major fruit producing states, whereas Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Odisha are the major vegetable producing states of the country in the order of production as per third advance estimates of 2020-21. Yes, Andhra Pradesh is the major fruit producing state and Uttar Pradesh is the highest vegetable producing state of India. And it's all about the previous week news, and I hope the video will be very much useful to you, and never forget to make note of everything. It will be helpful for your revision. Thank you for all your supports, and do subscribe to our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon, and never forget to give a thumbs up if you like the video and do share to your maximum. Thank you and see you all again.